Dragon pistol squats are possible. The only thing you need to learn is how to get there step by step. You can go from 0 to 100, but there is a way to go from 0 to 5 to 10 and then eventually get to that last stage, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. So number one is, before you even start dragon pistol squats, you want to be able to do single leg squat where you can touch your knee all the way down to the ground like this. And if you're beginning your journey in calisthenics, that's going to be hard. What can you do? You can actually make that step easier and bring some height and only go as far as you can. Okay? You can increase it. If that's hard, let's increase that height. Okay? So this is what you're going to be practicing. And as you keep getting better, you will just keep going further down. And as you keep getting down, you will eventually get to the floor. Let's say you're able to get to the floor, but getting up is hard. You can use the support of your toe a little bit and try to get up. Use just enough support to give you enough force to move up. Don't use too much support. So let's say now you're able to use a little bit of toe and come back up. Start practicing coming back up without that support. Good. So once you get there, you are ready to get to the next stage of dragon pistol squat. So after doing all of that work to get down to the floor, that's step one for dragon pistol squat. For step two, what you want to do is you want to go down, but this time your knee is not going to touch here. The knee has to touch somewhere in the back here, like a courtesy. Okay? So you're going down and you are coming back. Okay? And even then, when it's hard, you can use the support from your toe and come back up. Okay? Go down, come back up. Step two, right? Now, when you are able to do that, you have to get to step three. What is that? You are actually going to, again, come here, but this time you won't use your foot. You get up without using the support of your foot. Okay, and remember, if you can go further down in this position, increase the height a little bit. Use a block, yoga block or something else. So now that you have gotten to step three, what's the step four? Okay, the step four is, now there are multiple steps four that you can use, right? You're getting your flexibility and you want to be able to come even further down here, okay? And you want to try to extend your foot all the way straight up there. Bring it back and get up. While you're doing this move, you also want to train dragon pistol squat on a height. Hey, don't use yoga blocks if you don't feel stable enough. Maybe get on a box, okay? But get on a height, okay? And again, try to come down, come back up. It's much easier to do it on a height than to do it on the floor, okay? Again. Keep practicing that on the height and keep practicing that on the ground with extending your foot all the way straight in front of you. Once you're able to do both of these moves, you're going to start extending the foot on the height, but now you're not sitting on the floor. Your foot would not have the support from the floor to go up. Okay, so you're going to come here, okay, and extend back up. Again, come down, extend, turn back, up. You can see that? Now, next level, right? Now you're trying to replicate the same move. That's basically dragon pistol squat, but you want to get to that level where you can do it on the floor, right? reduce the height, which is going to make it a little bit harder, and then do the same thing here. Come back up, and when you have gotten down to that level, you're almost there, my friend. Get down on the floor, and let's do the final step, and that's dragon pistol squat. Go ahead and give it a try. Thank you.